Hey, what's up? We're gonna unbox a Lenovo tablet I just got used off of Amazon. It was $100, so might as well try it out. I don't want to pay $200 for a 300 plus for a new one. Things break. Tools are used for making money if you can. So yeah, I unboxed it a little to see if it works or not. So yeah. Let's see, I got it from this company. So I'll try and leave a link in the description below, but yeah. It was only $100, so yeah. It is used, but whatever. Whatever. It does come with a power brick with cable. USB-C. See how long this thing is. It's around 4 hands. My hands. So yeah, let's take a look at this. I think this is the name of the case and keyboard. And then here's the keyboard that comes with it. It doesn't come with the original, so that's what sucks about it, but meh, whatever. There's some info on it. Looks like Bluetooth. And then finger for iOS. Controlling, attention. So yeah, there's that one. Oh, it comes with a... I don't even know where this came from. How does it come with this? Is there a SIM card or something? So yeah, let's open it up. Let's take a look at this. I needed a tablet or Chromebook for working out and watching movies while working out or on the treadmill. So yeah, there it is. There's the keyboard. Let's take a look at that first. Here's that case. Standing case. Magnetized. Yeah, it looks like it's there. Flips up. With keyboard, without keyboard. Let's take a look at the keyboard first. Let's see. So yeah, there's the keyboard. On and off switch on right there, to the right. There's a click to it. Not in the middle. What is it? USB-C to charge. Black, or the back's metal, because I think this is, yes, it is magnetized. So yeah. So you can move the tablet back, stand it. So yeah, let's take a look at the tablet. This is a blue one. So yeah, here's the descriptions of it. I'll leave a link in the bottom below if you just want to figure out where it comes from and where I got it. I think there was like over 100 of these for being for sale for $100. That's why I got it. Keep in mind, I look at the reviews on this company, Part Point, and they only had like 60% good review. So yeah. Look, there's a dent right there. There's a dent right there. And it looks like it's pretty windy outside. They dropped it right there. Last users. Power button, volume button. Let's turn it on. And then there's a light right there. Yeah, look at that, it's turning back on. Let's see how this works. Voila, it does work. Looks good. See if volume works. Yep, volume down works, volume up works. It's the wrong side. Bluetooth. Let's turn this on. You have to connect it. Or is it not connected? Let's see. 4-finger works, 5-finger works, I don't know. So yeah, looks good. Let's check the brightness. This is the brightness. We're outside and wow, it works outside. Okay, the reason why I got this, comparing to other ones, this has 8 cores. This is like the most current tablet you could get. That's really fast. And look, even just browsing that, look at that. Wow. So yeah, I'll load this up, set it up, see how it works. Sorry, I have a dog. Riot. And yeah, there's it off, pretty much. You barely see it. There's half. There's high. Yep. It's a little cloudy today, not that much sun, and yeah, I can still see it. And here's the viewing angles. Sorry about that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Let me try and put this on first. Ryan! Sorry about that. It's weird placing this thing. Fudge. Wow, this thing is really hard. And then there it is. It looks like it does mess with the sound bar. It does mess with the sound bar. Since the sound bar is so high. Oh, you put it like on the edge. Yeah. Voila. Set up like that. Set up like that. On the table. Type it up. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys, and I'm gonna test this out, load some games on it, and then let's see how it runs. Thanks for watching. See you guys.